On this page, you're going to put your favorite things. You can write or you can put pictures. So for example, my favorite color is blue. So there is a text box under there. I'm just going to click and start writing. And then I can change the font if I want to. I need to hover, grab the text, drag, and then I can make it a different color. I can make it a different size or a different font. You can also put a picture in instead of typing. So if your favorite food is pizza, you can write pizza. Another thing you can do is add a picture. So to add a picture, we come up to the little mountain. And I want to make sure nothing else is selected right now. So if that's selected, my mountain is going to replace that. I don't want that. So let me just click over here. I'm going to go up to the mountain and I'm going to search the web for pizza. And then to put the picture in, you click once and then click insert. Ooh, that looks really good. Now I'm going to make it smaller so that it fits. So you can put a picture or you can write. My favorite hobby is painting. My favorite song is called Rain. Favorite movie, so you can write your favorite movie in here. If you want to put in a picture, again, you can search the web. And let's see if it comes up or not, if they have any. There we go, lots of pictures. Click once and insert. Make it smaller and then move it. You can also do both if you want to write and put a picture. So my favorite animal is a dog. And I'm going to resize this text box, make it a little smaller. And now see how my cursor changes to this? That means I can move it. So click and move it up. And then I'll put a picture down here. Click on the mountain, search the web. Dog. No. Dog. Ooh, that's a good one. So that's how you fill out this page. Just do one box at a time. You can put pictures and resize them. You can type. Just be patient as you're practicing the text skills here.